Okay, now let me taste it. Let me taste it.
Lately, I've been wanting to have dessert after every meal. I've been working it off, so don't worry about it. But it was super, super yummy, this banana cream cake that I make. Now, what I did, because I don't bake like that, I'm not a big baker, but I took a box cake. I added 3 bananas, some banana flavoring, some milk, and some oil. And then I poked holes into my cake once it was done. And then I added this yummy, yummy, yummy banana cream that made this dessert so, so luscious. So I'm going to show you what I did. I took 3 more bananas, so a total of 6 bananas in this cake, right? I took 3 more bananas and I mixed them with my stand blender, and I mixed it in with sour cream. Now I use plant-based sour cream, but you can use any kind that you want, right? This cake is going to come out exactly the same whether you use your plant-based or you use whatever you use. Okay, so a half a cup of the sour cream makes it nice and fluffy, and it also makes it so this bananas are not too sweet, right? The topping that you're going to put on is not going to be super sweet. It's going to be nice and fluffy and yummy and have depth to it because you're using the sour cream. Now, what I ended up doing is changing my blade because I was using a batter blade, but now I want it to be nice and light. So I'm using a whip blade now. So I take off my batter blade and I add in my whip blade because I want it to be nice and fluffy. And I tasted it just to see how it was, and perfect, had the perfect amount of depth. It was yummy. So with my whip, I'm going on and whipping that, but now I'm going to add 1 cup of Cool Whip or Cocoa Whip or whatever kind of whip that you want to use, the kind that you find in a container in the frozen section. Add that to your mix, nice and fluffy. And then a half a cup of powdered milk or powdered sugar or confectioner sugar gives it a little bit of sweetness. And now you go ahead and spread that over your box cakes that you made and that you poked, and let all of that whip get into those holes and give it a minute to soak in, and then come back and put some more whip on top. And let me tell you, this is the most yummy, messy, delicious, and light and fluffy cake that you'll ever have. And it has 6 bananas, so it's kind of good, right? It's good for you, right? At least you're getting some fiber and you're getting some nutrients for the fruit, And I bought those bananas on the markdown section. If you ever look at the markdown section of your produce,
Put them in a box.
sometimes they have really ripe bananas over there. You don't want them to be too bruised, but if they have a little dark color, little dark specks, it's okay. You can make yourself a nice banana cake, banana bread, banana fluff. Yeah, use that because it's already sweetened. I hope you'll try this because it was really, really enjoyable.